An Indianapolis family just grew from 2 to 6. We told you last week about a couple expecting quads in October, but we just learned that Danielle Thresher gave birth to the 4 babies early on the 17th. Yep, here they are. Aria Grace, Lila Mae, Maya Jo, and Zoe Cheyenne. What creative names. Each of them weighing about 2.5 pounds. They're super small. So they're still in the hospital. We're still waiting to hear the official of how the kids are doing. The quads were conceived naturally. There was no fertility drugs, and that's really rare. The odds of that happening really less than 1 in 500,000. The couple now would appreciate donations to make sure their 4 daughters have everything they need. One of their biggest needs right now really is a car that is large enough to hold 4 car seats. So we have a link to their GoFundMe page. It's posted at WTHR.com.
Yeah, family's going to be busy, aren't they?
Oh, they need help. Big